Hi, Phil Morrison from Driftworks here, and welcome to my very cold 964 Turbo. It's autumn here in the UK, and my Promodet titanium headers don't have a heat exchanger, so it's pretty chilly in here. I'm off on a little adventure down south, just to Slough, to meet up with the guys doing the second official UK Rauh Welt build, and hopefully I'll get to meet Nakai-San as well and show him the car, see whether he remembers it. I've had a pretty busy morning, it's about 9:45 now. I decided I was going to fit the gold and polished wheels back on the car before I went down. I spent most of the day yesterday repolishing them and sealing them with the carbon collective wheel seal treatment, which is super intensive. I don't think there's such thing as an overweight detailer. There's a lot of work in repolishing wheels by hand and sealing them and everything. Yeah, I finished that about 7:30 last night in my kitchen, with the help of Baxter, obviously. He's just so helpful. So yeah, we've got a couple of hour journey now down the M40 to meet up with the guys, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the car and meeting up with Nakai-San. I think he's built, like, we're now into the hundreds and hundreds of RWB cars now, so I don't really expect him to remember this one specifically. I do have the original Rauh Welt blog that I might show him with this car in his paint booth, having the bodywork done. See whether that rings a bell. officialised it.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Now you can legally drive it. As an RWB.
I'm in the gang now.
The car came from the same dealership as ours did.
Oh, Miswa.
Yeah, Miswa,
Our Hibiki came from Japan and it's from the same dealer.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But
yeah,
that was immaculate. They were selling some good stuff.
And these cars were really, really clean.
Yeah, yeah.
When they started off with them, they were perfect condition.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Japanese car.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Told you missed that.
Job done. Really enjoyed that. It was great to meet all the RWB family. Thank you so much to Jag and Raj for the hospitality and the invite. It was great to meet Nakai-San. Yeah, he basically said, yes, of course I recognise the car. He remembered building it in 2008, remember doing the bodywork. Didn't give me any more insight into its story, but he's a man of few words. That's cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, give us a like. Make sure you're subscribed. My personal Instagram is philmorrisondw. If you want to see more on this car and all my other crap. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.